Before we start, subscribe to Zenith Tech, like this video, and share it with anyone who wants to understand how artificial intelligence could transform the internet we use every day. The internet has changed dramatically over the last few decades. It started as a way to connect computers and share information. Then came search engines, social media, streaming platforms, cloud computing, smartphones, and billions of websites. But now, another technology could change how we interact with all of it. Artificial intelligence. AI isn't just creating chatbots or generating images. It could change how we search, create, communicate, shop, learn, work, and even how websites themselves are built. So what could the internet look like as AI becomes more powerful? Let's start with search. For years, using the internet has often meant typing keywords into a search engine, receiving a list of links, opening different websites, and searching through those pages to find the information we need. AI could make this process much more conversational. Instead of searching for several keywords, you could describe exactly what you want in natural language. An AI system could understand the request, combine information from multiple sources, and present a more direct answer. This could make finding information faster and easier. But it could also change the role of traditional websites. If users get more information directly through AI systems, they may not need to visit as many individual pages. That could completely change how websites attract visitors and how online businesses operate. AI could also transform content creation. Today, creating an article, image, video, presentation, or piece of software can require specialized skills and significant amounts of time. AI tools can already assist with many of these tasks. In the future, creating digital content could become much more accessible. A person could describe an idea, and AI could help turn that idea into a complete website, video, application, or interactive experience. This could allow more people to build things online without needing advanced technical skills. But there's another major possibility: websites could become more personalized. Traditional websites often display mostly the same interface and content to everyone. AI could allow websites to adapt dynamically based on what a user is trying to accomplish. Imagine visiting an online learning platform. Instead of simply showing everyone the same lessons, an AI system could adjust explanations, examples, exercises, and difficulty based on how someone interacts with the material. The internet could become more responsive to individual users. AI could also change online shopping. Instead of searching through hundreds of products manually, you could explain what you're looking for. An AI assistant could help compare options, understand specifications, organize information, and guide you toward products that match your requirements. This could turn online shopping from a search process into more of a conversation. Another major change could happen in software development. AI coding systems can already help developers write, explain, debug, and modify code. As these systems improve, building software could become faster. Someone with an idea for a website or application could describe what they want, and AI could help generate much of the underlying code. Professional developers would still be important, especially for complex systems, security, architecture, and quality control. But the barrier to creating software could become much lower. AI could also change communication. Real-time translation could make it easier for people who speak different languages to communicate online. Imagine joining a video call where each person speaks their own language while AI translates the conversation almost instantly. That could make the internet feel much more global. AI could also help make online services more accessible. Systems could automatically generate captions, describe images, convert speech into text, simplify complicated information, and provide different ways to interact with digital content. But AI could also create serious challenges. One of the biggest is misinformation. Generative AI can create realistic text, images, audio, and video. As these technologies become more capable, it may become increasingly difficult to determine whether something online is authentic. This means the internet could need better systems for verifying information and identifying trustworthy sources. Another challenge is privacy. AI systems often depend on large amounts of data. The more information an AI system has access to, the more useful it can potentially become. But this creates important questions about what data should be collected, how it should be stored, and who should be allowed to use it. Security is another major concern. AI could help defenders detect attacks and identify suspicious activity faster. At the same time, attackers could use AI to automate certain malicious activities. This could create an ongoing competition between AI-powered security systems and AI-assisted attacks. There is also a major question about the future of the web itself. Today, much of the internet is built around websites, apps, search engines, and human users clicking through interfaces. In the future, AI agents could become another major way of interacting with online services. Instead of personally visiting dozens of websites, you could have an AI system handle certain tasks for you. For example, an AI could search for information, compare options, organize results, or interact with online services based on instructions you provide. This could turn the internet from something we manually navigate into something we increasingly interact with through intelligent software. But that creates another challenge. If AI systems become responsible for interacting with websites, those websites may need new ways to identify, authenticate, and communicate with AI agents. The architecture of the internet could evolve around this new type of user. Another possibility is that AI will move closer to the devices we already use. Instead of sending every AI request to a remote data center, some tasks could run directly on phones, computers, cars, and other devices. This is known as Edge AI or on-device AI. Running AI locally can reduce latency and, in some situations, improve privacy because certain data doesn't need to leave the device. This could make intelligent features available even when an internet connection is limited. So what does all of this mean? AI probably won't replace the internet. Instead, it could change how we interact with it. Search could become more conversational. Websites could become more personalized. Software could become easier to create. Translation could become nearly instantaneous. Online services could become more automated. And AI agents could become another major interface between people and the web. But the future won't depend only on how powerful AI becomes. It will also depend on how people, companies, developers, and governments decide to use the technology. The internet has always evolved as new technologies changed what was possible. AI could be the next major transformation. The biggest change may not be that AI creates a new internet. It may be that AI changes the way we experience the internet that already exists. Instead of searching, clicking, typing, and navigating everything ourselves, we may increasingly describe what we want and let intelligent systems help us get there. And that could make the next generation of the internet very different from the one we use today. If you enjoyed this explanation, subscribe to Zenith Tech, like the video, and share it with someone who wants to understand how technology could shape the future of the internet.